This is an emergency message from His Majesty's Government, broadcast on behalf of the Cabinet Office and the Met Office Space Weather Operations Centre. All viewers, please pay immediate attention. This is not a test. A severe solar flare and associated coronal mass ejection, referred to as the Big One, is now impacting Earth. This is an extreme geomagnetic storm, at the highest level of severity. Widespread and potentially prolonged disruptions are expected across the United Kingdom and beyond, including major interruptions to electricity supplies. The national grid may experience significant instability or localized blackouts. Unplug sensitive electronic equipment immediately to reduce the risk of damage from power surges. Severe degradation or complete loss of mobile phone networks, satellite communications, GPS, and Internet services in many areas. Disruption to aviation, rail signaling, and other transport systems reliant on satellite navigation. Possible interference with high-frequency radio communications. What you should do now: stay calm and indoors if possible. Conserve battery power on phones, radios, and torches. Use battery-powered or wind-up radios tuned to radio stations, or local emergency frequencies, for further updates. Do not rely on automated systems for essential services. If you are in a high-risk occupation, for example, aviation, offshore, or critical infrastructure, follow your organization's emergency protocols. Check on vulnerable neighbors, family, or those who may need assistance. This is a global event, but impacts in the UK could last from hours to several days, depending on the storm's progression. Further official updates will be provided as soon as conditions allow via all available channels. For more information, when services resume, visit Gov UK or Met Office Gov UK Space Weather. This message will now repeat.